as the Yamuna River continues to flow above the danger mark. Water has entered houses in the Yamuna Bazar area. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is likely to visit the affected locality to take the stock of the situation further. Authorities remain on alert as the low-lying areas have faced the threat of further flooding. Arzu Seth, my colleague, is joining me with more updates on this. Arzu, as we see that the fear of flooding in the low-lying area is also prompting the authorities to take the action, as you continue to be also, in fact, in these areas, showing us through the front line of how the situation looks like. It is a national capital. It is a matter of, in fact, concern. Still, after many attempts, the national capital continues to be roadblocked and also continues to be facing the waterlogged issues. Even the people and the residents of these low-lying areas are often displaced. What more details are you picking up as authorities are also trying to make the situation better ahead of the visit by Rekha Gupta, the Delhi Chief Minister?
Well, definitely the authorities are trying to make the situation better, but yes, the people are in fact facing a lot of problem as they have been now. Some of the people have been shifted to the temporary shelters, but yes, some people are still living in those areas inside their houses, as they are afraid of leaving those areas due to the fear of being their things being theft, and that's why they are still living in this area and refusing to move from their places. Also, as you can see, the police personnel have been deployed here, as very soon Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will be visiting the Yamuna Bazar area to witness the preparations, the work that the authorities has done. And right now I'm showing you in the visuals also, these are the temporary shelters that has been set up near the Yamuna Bazar area to provide the help to these people who are affected with the flood, and their houses are submerged in water and they are facing a lot of problem. In fact, they have told us that the situation is worse right now, and these condition will remain same for the 3 to 4 days, and for that they need help from the government. So they are hoping that the government is going to help them, and now Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will be visiting this area to ensure to see what is needed and what help has been provided to them. She will also be visiting these temporary shelter, and also the areas which are being hit by the flood, and the Yamuna River is still flowing above the danger mark, which is still the concern for the people who are living in the low-lying area. Yes, Simran.